This is Hidden Car Tech. We unlock the real power inside your Audi. More performance, more response, engine power with no limits. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech and drive smarter.
Diesel Audi, the hidden mistakes that cost you thousands. Do you know that your Audi diesel could be losing money every single day without you noticing it? What if I told you that some of the most common driving habits are slowly destroying your diesel system and increasing fuel consumption at the same time? And here's the scary part. Most drivers think they are doing everything right. Diesel engines are efficient, powerful, and built to last, but only if you use them correctly. Because unlike petrol engines, diesel engines have specific needs, and when those needs are ignored, problems start building up silently. Now let's start with the first mistake. Driving only short distances. This is one of the biggest enemies of diesel engines. When you drive only for short trips, the engine never reaches optimal temperature. And this creates incomplete combustion, residue buildup, system inefficiency. Over time, this affects critical components, and here's where it gets expensive. DPF, diesel particulate filter. This system needs high temperature to clean itself. But if you only drive short distances, regeneration never completes, and slowly, the filter clogs. This leads to loss of power, higher fuel consumption, expensive repairs. Now here's the second mistake, driving too gently all the time. Yes, even this can be a problem. Diesel engines need load to work properly. If you always drive at very low RPM, carbon deposits increase, the engine becomes less efficient. Performance drops. So what should you do instead? Controlled acceleration. From time to time, let the engine work. This helps clean the system, improve combustion, maintain efficiency. Now here's something most drivers ignore completely. Fuel quality. Not all diesel is the same. Low-quality fuel can increase deposits, reduce injector efficiency, damage components over time. And this directly affects performance, consumption, long-term costs. Now here's the key insight. Diesel engines are not forgiving. They reward correct use and punish mistakes. And most of those mistakes feel completely normal. In the next part, we'll reveal the maintenance errors that destroy diesel Audi systems and how to avoid repairs that can cost thousands. It's free for you, but for us, it's essential. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech for real Audi secrets that save fuel, performance, and money.
Diesel Audi, the hidden mistakes that cost you thousands. Now let's go deeper. Because driving habits are only half of the problem. The real damage often comes from maintenance mistakes. And here's the truth. Most Audi diesel owners think they are maintaining the car correctly, but they are actually accelerating wear without knowing it. Let's start with one of the biggest mistakes: ignoring fuel system maintenance. Diesel engines rely heavily on precise fuel injection. Over time, injectors accumulate deposits that slowly destroy efficiency. This causes uneven fuel spray, inefficient combustion, higher fuel consumption. And here's what most drivers do: nothing. They wait until problems appear. But by that time, performance is already compromised. Repairs become expensive. So what should you do? Periodic injector cleaning. This helps restore efficiency, improve performance, reduce fuel waste. Now let's move to another critical mistake: delayed oil changes. Diesel engines produce more contaminants than petrol engines. That means oil degrades faster. Even if the car tells you everything is fine, the oil may already be losing effectiveness. And when oil degrades, lubrication decreases, friction increases, internal damage accelerates. So here's the rule: change oil earlier than expected. This is one of the most powerful ways to protect a diesel engine. Now let's talk about something many drivers underestimate: EGR system. This system reduces emissions, but it also accumulates deposits over time. When it becomes dirty, airflow is reduced, combustion worsens, performance drops. And here's the problem: most drivers ignore it completely until warning lights appear, power drops, costs increase. Now let's move to another expensive mistake: ignoring early warning signs. Diesel engines give signals before problems become serious. Small signs like slightly higher fuel consumption, minor loss of power, rougher engine response are early warnings. But most drivers ignore them, and this turns small issues into expensive repairs. Now let's talk about something that directly impacts your wallet: poor quality replacement parts. Trying to save money in the wrong way often costs more later. Low quality components can fail faster, reduce efficiency, damage other parts. So here's the balance. Save money smartly, but never sacrifice critical quality. Now combine everything: clean fuel system, early oil changes, EGR awareness, attention to signals, smart part selection. And now your diesel Audi becomes more efficient, more reliable, cheaper to maintain. But there is still one final factor: the daily habit that silently increases fuel consumption and long-term costs. In the next part, we'll reveal how to optimize your diesel Audi for maximum efficiency and minimum cost, using simple adjustments. It's free for you, but for us it's essential. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech for real Audi diesel secrets that save you thousands. Diesel Audi, the hidden mistakes that cost you thousands. Now let's unlock the final level: the daily optimization strategy that turns your Audi diesel into a low-cost, high-efficiency machine. Because up to now, you learned what mistakes to avoid, how to maintain your engine, and how to prevent expensive damage. But here's the truth: real savings don't come from fixing problems. They come from preventing them every day. Let's start with one of the most powerful habits: regeneration driving. Your diesel Audi has a system that needs to clean itself: DPF regeneration. But here's the problem: most drivers interrupt it constantly. Short drives, stop-and-go traffic, low-speed usage prevent proper regeneration. And this causes filter clogging, higher fuel consumption, loss of power. So what should you do? Regular highway drives, even just once a week. 15-20 minutes at stable speed. This allows proper temperature, complete regeneration, system cleaning. Now let's move to another daily factor: gear usage and RPM balance. Driving always at very low RPM seems efficient, but over time, it increases carbon buildup. Diesel engines need occasional higher RPM, proper load, not aggressive driving, but controlled acceleration, balanced usage. This helps keep injectors clean, improve combustion, reduce deposits. Now here's another hidden cost factor: engine idling. Many drivers leave the engine running unnecessarily. This creates incomplete combustion, fuel waste, unnecessary wear. And here's the key point: idling doesn't protect the engine. It actually reduces efficiency. So here's the rule: avoid unnecessary idling. Now let's connect everything: regeneration driving, balanced RPM usage, reduced idling, smart maintenance, correct fuel habits. Now your diesel Audi becomes more efficient, cleaner internally, cheaper to run. And here's the final truth: diesel engines are extremely efficient, but only if you use them correctly. Because the difference between a diesel that lasts and one that becomes expensive is not the engine, it's the driver. When you understand how your engine works, you reduce fuel costs, you prevent damage, you extend lifespan. And that's how smart Audi owners save thousands without changing the car. If you want more real Audi secrets to improve performance, save fuel, and avoid expensive mistakes, subscribe now. It's free for you, but for us, it's essential. And now, watch the next episode, because one small sensor can silently increase your fuel consumption every day.
Now you know what others don't. Drive smarter, spend less, unlock more. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. Stay ahead.